If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and get involved. Adding video to slides. When you select video, the following selection opens. Start by selecting Insert and then Video. You have two options, YouTube or Google Drive. These are the choices when you select Google Drive. Insert a link to a YouTube video or search for a YouTube video. In this example, I chose a YouTube video link. Once you've inserted and selected the link, you'll see the following screen so you can verify that this is the actual video you want. Select it and hit Enter to insert the video.
Here are 14 more Windows 11 tips to master.
And as you see,
Number
now
1,
plays
move the
your
start
video.
button.
You can also add a video from Google Drive. The file must already be saved on the drive. Select Google Drive and then supply either the link or the name of the file in the search bar to select and insert. Select the file and hit Insert. That will insert the file into the presentation as shown in the next slide.
Here are 14 more Windows 11 tips to master.
Google Slides are free and can be used by anyone with a Google account. Next time you need to prepare a slideshow with videos, consider using Google Slides. Chances are you already have a Google account. Why not make the most of it? You'll find the Google Slides presentation at the link listed. Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching.